Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. I am, of course, Hickory the Drunken Underwhelming. Welcome back to Hickory Reacts. And today on the channel, we got more Brodnax, dude. I'm really loving this guy. This one is called Pocket Watch. It's been the top of the comment requests. Let's get it. I love the camo balaclava. That's awesome. It was so cold this past weekend, I actually wore one. It wasn't camo, it was just forest green, but...
I say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it. Back thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it.
Ooh, held up, wait a minute. We about to get it. They thought I was finished. Oh. But if I started, I'm gonna win it. Dude, solid right out the go.
Say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it. Back thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it.
I love that, dude. If I started, I'm gonna win it. Yeah.
Came out the jungle, everybody spit off. They must know I can and I can hit off, hit off. I ain't never let off. Bet all your money on me if you trying to get the cheddar.
bet all your money on me if you try to get that cheddar.
No good, best better. Still the best hitter. Grown man shit, why you with the babysitter? Want something, homie, come get us. Break a bitch off when I run it up the middle. Just
ooh, oh, we're on that grown up shit. Why you hiding with the babysitter?
want something, homie, come get us. Break a bitch off when I run it up the
No, I didn't go back far enough. I want to hear that again.
still the best hitter. Grown man shit, why you with the babysitter?
Grown man shit. Why you with a babysitter? Oh, well done, man.
Want something, homie, come get us. Break a bitch off when I run it up the middle. Just like Bo Jackson, your broke ass got no fashion. That slow rapping got.
Ooh, who'd you say?
Just like Bo Jackson, your broke ass got no fashion. That slow rapping got.
It's like Bo Jackson. Your ass got no fashion. Slow
No
rapping.
passion, running lap around these suckers with no practice.
Ooh, no passion. Running laps around these suckers with no practice. Dude, Brodnax is up on it, this beat.
No acting, no capping like Rick James. Still slapping that dude bang like 2 Chainz. You don't do shit, we do things.
Ooh, like 2 Chainz. You don't do shit, we do things. Dude, I'm really digging this flow in this. This beat is killer. And this video is just so simple and awesome. Like him out in the middle of the woods with a bonfire. Yeah, I'm sold.
Do things. I say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it. Back thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it. I say, hold up, wait a minute.
Oh, great chorus, dude. Great chorus. Like simple, clean, easy, not too like a lot of people like to take a real simple chorus and then overlay it because they're like it's too simple. And no, this is like the perfect amount of layering on it. Dude.
Y'all about to get it. Back thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it.
Okay, let's see how the second verse goes, man. First verse is full of bars and absolutely dope.
I say, square body, take 2 lanes. I'm everywhere. Food chain.
I'm everywhere. Food chain. Dude, that's awesome.
Brain drip, drip, stain, dupes out the roof, what it do, man? Show love, you get love, you cause problems, mood change.
Ooh. You show you get love, you show love, you get love, you cause problems, you lose chains.
Roof, what it do, man? Show love, you get love, you cause problems, mood change.
Oh, you cause problems, remove chains. Ooh.
Shoot game on Soldier Slim, jumping out the gym.
Shoot game on Soldier Slim, jumping out the gym.
Them boys not to play with them, looking for the one bitch, I am him. Cook the beef, slice it thin, clean my plate, then take a shit.
Only Brodnax gonna make sounding his like get home his get home routine sound like beautiful flowing art. Like, yeah, get home, cook the beef, slice it thin, eat it, take a shit.
Looking for the one bitch, I am him. Cook the beef, slice it thin, clean my plate, then take a shit.
That's so good. Oh, it's so funny.
Where you been at? Raising my little kids, yeah. They grow up and tell their friends that my daddy done did that.
Ooh, they grow up and tell them friends their dad done did that. It's nice to see a dad in the kitchen too, man. It's nice to see brothers getting out there and firing up the oven.
Come home with a big bag, make a hater big man. Boy, you just
Why you just baloney acting like you a big man? Is that what he said? Because that's awesome.
Why you just baloney trying to act like you a big man?
Yeah, baloney reference. Awesome. Only Brodnax can make baloney sound so hard.
Long cut when the green Copenhagen for when I speed raps. We making it cooler, big country, and them is big. I say,
Making it cool to be country. I'd argue it's always been cool to be country, because who gives two shits what the city folk think? I mean, they literally think we need them. It's amazing the amount of cognitive dissonance you see in city people thinking that they like, oh, you guys need us. That's where all the tax money comes from. It's like, you know how long you'd last without food? Like, we're still gonna have the tax money after all. Like, absolutely bonkers city people. I'm sorry if you are one of them. There's like a certain mentality with a lot of them that they don't need the people in the more rural areas is funny. We should test it maybe. I think it's time for a little civil divorce.
hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it. Back thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it. I say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it.
Absolutely love this chorus still.
They thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win.
Okay, so is there going to be an actual third verse, or is it kind of like a play out part? I don't know. We're going to find out together.
I say, hold up, wait a minute.
Nope.
Y'all about to get it. Back thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it.
And I'm wrong, because it's neither. It's a chorus again, which is great, because this chorus is awesome. This fire's raging behind it.
I say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it. Back thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it. I say, hold up, Westman Road, Monroe, Louisiana native. Hometown, born and raised.
Oh, I like this too. Yeah. Never been to Louisiana. Actually going to Florida for the first time ever in a couple months. Pretty excited about it.
Westman Road, Bobby Briscoe on the beat, bitch.
My work friend's like, why are you going to Florida? And I was like, because I want to go remember what freedom felt like, maybe a little bit. You know, it's been a couple of years since I've been back in Freedom Land, USA, and it would be nice to experience that again, because this place was pretty good until the goof came around. Oh, absolutely awesome. Brodnax Pocket Watch. Don't worry, guys, that will not be the last Brodnax song we react to on this channel, that's for sure. Let me know down in the comments which ones you want to see, because I got a small list going. We'll be mixing these in with the other regular artists I like to react to on the channel. And please leave your suggestions, because if you want to see a drunk magician who's way out of his depths react to things he has no business reacting to, down there in the comment section, so we should be leaving that shit. And I'll see you guys all in the next one. Until then, I, of course, am Hickory the Drunk and Unrolling. Drunk Magician out. Cheers.